In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Deliveroo student discount codes for 2025, whether you're looking to enjoy a nice meal from your favorite restaurant without breaking the bank, or just want to treat yourself after a long day of studying. Getting a discount on Deliveroo orders can be a great way to do it. So, let's dive right in and get you those savings. To begin, head over to the Deliveroo website. You can easily access this by typing deliveroo.co.uk into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to either sign up or log into your account in the top right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, go ahead and sign up by following the steps to create an account. Having an account is crucial as this is where you will be applying your discount code when you're ready to order. Now that you've settled in on Deliveroo's website, it's time to find that valuable student discount. Open a new tab on your browser and do a quick Google search for uk.coopert.com. This site is an excellent resource for finding a variety of discount codes, including those specifically for Deliveroo. In the search results, click on the link to uk.coopert.com. This will take you to their homepage where all the available discount codes are listed. Once you're on the Cooper website, look for the search bar. It's typically located prominently on the page. To make things easy, click into the bar and type in Deliveroo. This search will yield a list of all the current discount codes available for Deliveroo customers, including those that might be specifically beneficial for students. After the search results appear, look for deliveroo.co.uk and click on it. This will direct you to a page with various codes and offers. Focus on the section labeled Verified, as these codes are confirmed to work and will usually offer the best discounts. There might be several options available, so take a moment to browse through them and select the deal that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your desired discount, it's time to grab that code. Click on the option and a copy button should appear next to the code. Hit that button to copy it to your clipboard. With your discount code in hand, head back to the Deliveroo website. When you're placing your next order on Deliveroo during checkout, you will see a field where you can paste this code. Just pop it in there and watch the savings take effect. It's a simple yet effective way to make the most out of your student status and enjoy your meals for less. And there you have it. That's how you can find and use the best Deliveroo student discount codes in 2025. Thanks for watching and happy saving.